Great day all. Andito kami ngayon sa itong Lapu-Lapu Festival. It happened here. Yung tragedy. And that's my friend there, Babette Santos. She's the organizer here for our Lapu-Lapu Festival as well. So this is the school. And this is where the vehicle that comes, and these are full of people at the time with festivities. Ngayon, of course, tahimik na siya at balik sa dating gawe, but we're gonna visit the memorial later on. Yeah. Okay, so see you later. Ito ang memorial ng Lapu-Lapu Festival. Temporarily, habang naghahanap sila ng more permanent place. So this is our memorial. Lapu-Lapu Festival.